How to move Fitbit account to Google account. You must move your Fitbit account to a Google account before February 2, 2026 or you'll lose access. The migration is done inside the Fitbit app, so go ahead and open the Fitbit application into your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in into your account, and then from here, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen. So if you don't have a profile photo, the initial of your first name would be added as your profile. Click on that. And then in here, go ahead and select account and go ahead and click on move to Google. Choose an existing Google account or create a new one and then confirm migration. Your Fitbit data and devices will now be linked to Google. So what happens after migration? You'll sign in with Google instead of Fitbit. Your device's health data and subscriptions remain intact, and new Fitbit and Pixel devices require Google login from the start. You can manage Fitbit data through Google account settings, and that is how you can basically move Fitbit account to Google account.